Welcome to Cyber Voices with Andrea Garcia, where we amplify voices that illuminate the digital world. Together we explore cybersecurity, cyber resilience, technology, leadership, and the human stories behind digital risk. Today, a compact digital first aid kit for the first 60 minutes after a cyber incident. Ready? Let's begin. Imagine this. It's a busy Tuesday, your family is online, or your small shop has just processed its morning orders and suddenly screens flicker, files lock, or a customer calls to say they received a strange message from your account. Panic rises. What do you do in the first few minutes? That question decides a lot of what happens next. In the next 7 minutes, I'll give you a minute-by-minute digital first aid kit. Clear, non-technical steps to contain the problem, preserve evidence, and protect people and reputation. These are actions you can take safely now and clear triggers for when to pause and call an expert. Let's make those first 60 minutes count. Why do the first 60 minutes matter? Because early containment narrows the damage, evidence preservation keeps options open, and the right first words protect trust. If the attacker can move laterally from one device to another, from one account to another, a few calm actions now can limit access. And equally important, documenting what you did preserves facts for experts, insurers, and legal counsel later. Cybersecurity is about people before technology, and decisions under pressure shape outcomes. Minute 0 to 10. Stop the spread. If a device is behaving badly, disconnect it from the network. Unplug Ethernet, turn off Wi-Fi, or remove the SIM from a phone. If it's a laptop that's part of a business network, switch it off after noting the time. Use a separate known good device to search for official guidance or to contact help. Do not start reinstalling software, running unknown tools, or posting screenshots publicly. Those actions can alter evidence and make recovery harder. Minute 10 to 20. Protect accounts and backups. From a safe device, change passwords for critical accounts, email, banking, admin logins, and enable multi-factor authentication if it isn't already on. If you suspect credentials are compromised, lock affected accounts or ask your provider to do so. Check that your backups are intact and offline. If backups are connected to the infected machine, isolate them now. These steps reduce future harm and begin recovery. Minute 20 to 30. Preserve evidence and log everything. Take screenshots with timestamps of error messages, ransom notes, or suspicious emails. But do this from a separate device if possible, and keep the originals untouched. Record the time you first noticed the problem, who you told, and any actions you took. A short log entry, time, action, result is invaluable later. Avoid opening unknown attachments or running diagnostic tools unless instructed by a trusted professional. Remember, preserving evidence preserves options. Minute 30 to 40. Inform the right people. For a family, tell everyone in the household to stop using affected devices and share a simple instruction. Use a different device for important accounts. For a small business, inform your internal IT contact or vendor and the person who manages customer communications. If personal data may be at risk, prepare a brief, factual message for customers. No speculation, no technical jargon. Say what you know, what you've done, and when you'll update them. Digital trust matters. Honesty and timeliness help preserve it. Real-world vignette 1. A family whose home PC was encrypted by ransomware. The parents tried to fix the machine by running random recovery tools they found online that altered logs and made forensic recovery harder. What helped was calling their backup provider and restoring from an offline backup and then getting a professional to analyze the infection vector. The lesson: stop, stabilize, call for help. Vignette 2. A small shop discovered a customer data leak after an employee shared a spreadsheet in a public folder. They immediately took the folder offline, notified affected customers with a short, clear message, and offered support. Because they acted quickly and transparently, customer trust was preserved, and because they documented actions and contacted their insurer and legal advisor, they avoided bigger reputational damage. When should you call your cyber insurer, IT expert, or legal counsel? Call your insurer early if you have a policy that covers incidents. They can advise on approved vendors and cover costs. Call a forensic IT expert before attempting major recovery if data integrity matters. Call legal counsel if regulated personal data is involved or if you're unsure about disclosures. These are not optional next steps. They preserve options and keep you on the right side of compliance. How to craft an initial public or customer message. Keep it short, factual, and humane. A safe template. We are aware of an incident affecting some customer information. We have taken steps to contain it and are investigating with experts. We will provide an update by time per day. If you have concerns, please contact us at channel. Avoid specific technical or speculative details. That's for experts. Focus on steps taken and next updates. Protect what you value the most. Your customers, trust, and people's privacy. Human reflection. Incidents are stressful. Decision fatigue can lead to rushed, harmful actions. Take a breath, literally. Pause for one full breath, then act on the checklist. Delegate. Name one calm person to coordinate communications and one to manage technical steps. Clear roles reduce mistakes. Leadership in the digital era is about calm choices under pressure. Not everything critical is visible. Your composure matters as much as your checklist. Practical takeaways. Save a one-page checklist to your phone. Include 1. Disconnect affected devices. 2. Change critical passwords from a safe device. 3. Secure backups. 4. Log times and actions. 5. Notify the right contacts. 6. Call insurer or expert if needed. Follow our show on social media for downloadable templates and ready-to-use wording. Share one preparedness tip with us. A small habit can change an outcome. Thank you for listening to Cyber Falsies. Remember, cybersecurity is not only about technology, it is about protecting what we value most. Until next time, stay curious, stay resilient, and take care in the digital world. Protect what matters most.